So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So on today's video, I'm gonna do a steering wheel wrap on the BMW. I chose the Alcantara steering wheel leather. So this is a DIY. So if you wanna spice up your steering wheel to look something better than stock, you can replace your steering wheel or you can wrap it. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to wrap your steering wheel. So now let's get started. So this is the steering wheel wrap that we're gonna use today. So this is the Alfonsi hand stitch Alcantara with no stripe. So I didn't take any stripe on the 12 o'clock position of the steering wheel. So you can get them in different kind of style. You can get them in different combination of leather, perforated leather, or Alcantara, or whatever you desire. Different types of threads, different types of stripe on the 12 o'clock position of the steering wheel. So here we have the Alcantara steering wheel wrap. It feels pretty good. So you have to get them in the type of model of car that you have. So they come in different sizes. So you just have to get the one for the model of your car. Here in the bag here we have the so they gave a little scissor, a trim tool, and a double-sided tape, and the type of thread that you requested. So I requested for a black thread. So this is gonna be black on black, so you're not gonna see the thread on this one. And also here you can request what type of thread you want on the stitching here. So me, I requested for the black because I wanted it to be all black with the black stitching also. So I already did some mods on my steering wheel. As you can see, I changed the paddle to M3 style paddle. I replaced the black buttons here to an M1 and M2 red buttons. And I also put the carbon fiber overlay. So all the mods that I did on the steering wheel, I'm gonna put down the link on the description down below so you can check them out. So for now, I'm gonna just install the Alcantara and we'll see after how it looks like. So I just removed the steering wheel overlay, the carbon fiber overlay here, because it's easier to squeeze the Alcantara on the edges here by the trim tool when there's no overlay on top of this plastic cover here on the steering wheel. And then I'm just gonna reinstall it after when the steering wheel is completely wrapped with the Alcantara. It's better like that. Do the steering wheel wrap first, then the carbon fiber overlay. So one of the hardest part to install the steering wheel cover is to squeeze this Alcantara on this section here on the bottom part of the steering wheel. So you're gonna need two trim tools, one to pry up the plastic and the other one to squeeze in the Alcantara steering wheel cover. So I put two double-sided tape here on this corner here. So guys, I'm really happy about this. I really like the way this steering wheel cover came out. It looks so good and it feels different though. Not like your regular leather. It feels more grippy. Feels a lot different than the leather one. So about the stitching, you have to go to every stitches on the cover to get the same pattern. So you have to pass the needle to every other stitching, not per stitching. So you have to jump one stitch, then you go pass the needle on the other one. So I already put back the carbon fiber overlay. Now it looks a lot different now. Looks a lot better than before without the overlay. I really like the way this one came out. I'm very happy about it. So guys, the only thing I have to say is why I selected the steering wheel covers, because I have a heated steering wheel and I don't want to lose this if I just buy the already built custom made one from ASA steering wheel. So they still have the heated ones, but I prefer to just stick with my old steering wheel and just wrap it. Plus it's a lot cheaper than the ASA steering wheel. So guys, I have a question for you. So which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the ASA custom steering wheel or the steering wheel cover that I just installed? So let me know in the description down below, and we'll see how many people will like the cover or the custom steering wheel. So guys, I hope you like the video. Please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.